Before beginning the chapter on polymers, let me ask you a question. Is there any difference between polymer and plastic? Yes, there is a difference. The key difference between polymer and plastic is that the polymer can be either natural or synthetic, whereas plastic is a synthetic polymer. We have different types of plastic like high density polythene, PVC, low density polythene. Now coming to polymers, natural polymers include proteins, cellulose, starch, DNA, natural rubber, etc. Synthetic polymers include bakelite, nylon, rayon, polyester, polythene, etc. Therefore, we can say that all plastics are polymers, but not all polymers can be classified as plastics. So in this chapter, you will be able to study about the different types of polymerization processes, distinguish between various classes of polymers, describe the preparation of some important polymers, and thus appreciate the importance of polymers in daily life. What are polymers? Polymers are defined as very large molecules having high molecular mass. These are also referred to as macromolecules, which are formed by the joining of repeating structural units on a large scale. The repeating structural units are derived from some simple and reactive molecules known as monomers. The process of formation of polymers from monomers is called polymerization. There are several ways of classification of polymers, like based on source, based on structure, based on molecular forces, and based on mode of polymerization. Based on source, we have three different types of polymers called as natural polymers, semi-synthetic, and synthetic polymers. Based on structure, we have linear polymers, branched chain polymers, and cross-linked polymers. Based on molecular forces, the four different types are elastomers, fibers, thermoplastics, and thermosetting polymers. Based on mode of polymerization, we have two types of polymers, adhesion polymers and condensation polymers. Let us see how polymers are classified based on the source. We have three different types: natural polymers, semi-synthetic and synthetic polymers. Natural polymers will be of either plant or animal origin. Examples are proteins, cellulose, starch, rubber, etc. Semi-synthetic polymers, in that we have cellulose derivatives like cellulose acetate, which is also called as rayon, and cellulose nitrate. Synthetic polymers are man-made polymers. These polymers are obtained using chemicals, and under synthetic polymers we have Buna S and Buna N as examples. Based on the mode of polymerization, we have two types of polymers called as adhesion polymers and condensation polymers. What are adhesion polymers? These are polymers obtained by the repeated addition of monomeric molecules possessing double or triple bonds. For example, polyethylene is an adhesion polymer which is obtained by the polymerization of ethylene or ethene. Ethene, the monomer, contains double bond. Therefore, on adhesion polymerization, it gives the polymer polyethene. Similarly, if you take propene, the monomer, on polymerization can give the polymer polypropene. Another example for adhesion polymer is polyvinyl chloride, the monomer of which is vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is CH2 double bond CHCl. This on polymerization gives the polymer polyvinyl chloride. Condensation polymers. What are condensation polymers? These are polymers obtained by the repeated condensation between two different bifunctional or trifunctional monomeric units. Nylon 6,6, nylon 6, Dacron, all these are examples for condensation polymers. In this type of polymerization, elimination of small molecules like water or alcohol will take place.